Hello students, today we are starting new chapter, that is construction. In 9th standard you studied construction. First of all we will revise that portion that you studied in 9th standard. Then we will proceed in the 10th standard topics. Okay, so let us begin our 9th standard topic. Children, you know that for construction you require pencil, eraser, pair of compass, etc. So you should be ready with this, then only we can do the work. Okay children, so let us begin our 9th standard portion. Now children, we will revise construction of bisectors of line segment and angle, first point. Second, we will discuss construction of angles having measures of 60, 30, 15 and 90 and 45. Children, you know very well both the points, but we have to revise it. So children, our question is construction of bisectors of given line segment. So let us consider given line segment is having 6 centimeter length. So we draw here one line segment of 6 centimeter. Now children, here I have drawn one line segment of 6 centimeter. We want to construct a bisector of this line segment AB. Now children, how to do that you know very well, but still we revise it. First of all, take pair of compass, measure distance between these 2 points. Okay children, so children, this way you have to measure. Now children, this distance means distance between pencil point and this metal point, we call it radius. Okay, so take radius of 6 centimeter. This is ideal rule, but practical way, generally we take this radius more than the distance of midpoint. Children, approximately midpoint is somewhere here. Now children, practically what we do, we take this distance more than midpoint. So children, here you take and take more than midpoint. So this much we take children. Exactly AB we are not taking. Okay. Now children, one arc do here and one arc here. Okay. From B children, take another arc. It will cut here, and from this point here you will get. Now children, call it, this is P, this is Q, join PQ children. So now by this way children, we have obtained a bisector of given line segment. By this way we have obtained midpoint also, suppose we call it M. So PQ is a bisector of AB line segment. Now children, 6 centimeter we have taken. Now if you measure it, we will get it 3 centimeter. See children, exactly 3 centimeter we are getting. From this point to here 3 and from here 6. So this is our construction of bisectors of given line segment AB. Now children, construction of bisector of given angle. Question is construction of bisector of given angle. Question will be like this. Construct a bisector of given angle. Now children, you can see that here given angle is this ABC. This is A, B, C. How to start? it is very easy children. Take pair of compass and take approximate radius. Put here metal point on B and draw arc this way children. Children, something we draw like this, that is known as arc. So this arc will intersect here P and Q. Now children, same radius you can fix or you can measure this distance PQ also. Otherwise same radius also you can keep it. From P take one arc, from Q take another arc children. Okay. Now children, this point is R. Join B and R, that will give you bisector of angle ABC. So ray BR is angle bisector of given angle ABC children. Now children, question is construct 60 degree. Now children, method is very simple. First we draw any ray. Okay. Then we call it name AC. Okay. Draw AC ray. Now children, take pair of compass. Any radius you can take, appropriate radius you take. From A, from here draw one arc. Now children, this arc must intersect AC ray. Now children, don't change this radius. Keep this pair of compass here and draw one arc. Okay children. Now children, measure. Now children, draw another ray that will give you AB ray. Okay. Now children, this point B. So now children, we have constructed angle BAC is equal to 60. If you have pair of compass children, you can measure it. It will give you 60 degree children. Okay. Now children, question is construct 30 degree. So first what we did, so first of all children, we have to construct 60 degree, then bisector of 60 we will do. So first we draw one ray, call it AC. Now children, we will construct 60 degree. For that, take pair of compass, keep appropriate radius, put metal point on A, draw one arc this way. From this point, draw another arc that will intersect previous arc and join this point and this point A. Draw one ray passing through this. So now children, this is 60 degree. Here 30 is there, not related with this 30. This is question part children. Okay, here actually 60 degree. Now children, we have to draw bisector of that. So now children, this radius beginning we have taken this way, that we are not changing. So from this point one arc here we will draw. From this point another arc we will draw. Children, don't do second time overwriting, don't do. This point we call it P, joined AP, So now children, you can see that angle PAC, you can measure it. Angle, first we write BAC. BAC equal to 60. Angle PAC, that would be 30 children. Now children, we are not changing radius and I am teaching this 15. Construct 30 and 15 children. Okay. So now children, keep this same radius from this point. This is 30 children. Okay. Take one arc here. From this point, do another arc. So children, this point, okay, join from A to that point. We call it R. So angle RAC is 15 degree children. Children, in this chapter we will study to divide a line segment in a given ratio. First type of construction. Second construction we will learn to construct a triangle similar to a given triangle as per a given scale factor which may be less than 1 or greater than 1. And third one, to construct the pair of tangents from an external point to a circle. We will learn these three types of construction. Let us study this to divide a line segment in a given ratio. Let us study children to divide a line segment in a given ratio. This is our question number. This is a first construction children. Now children, AB is a given line segment. We want to divide it in the ratio M is to N children. So now children, this is M and this is N. Means AC is M, CB is N. Now children, let us take M equal to 3, N equal to 2. Means ratio is 3:2. In that ratio, we want to divide AB line segment. Now children, steps of construction and construction simultaneously you have to do it. Once you learn the topic, then first you do construction, then write down steps. Let us learn first step. Draw an ray AX making an acute angle with AB. Children, meaning is what? AB is given. Now here we have to draw ray AX. Children, this ray AX we have to draw such that this angle is acute angle. Okay. Then we have to locate 5 points. 5 points means what? M plus N. M plus N means what? 3 plus 2 children. Here ratio is given 3:2 children. This is given ratio 3:2. So add them 3 plus 2, that is 5. Children, this 3:2 given ratio. So 3 plus 2, 5. So 5 points we have to find on this AX ray. So let us take first A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. How to find this children? With the help of pair of compass children. Now put your here pair of compass. Then this way taken first arc. Then from this second arc. From this third arc. Then from this fourth arc. From this fifth arc. Now total 5 points we want to find. So 5 arcs we have to take. This arc will, each arc will cut this ray AX such that we will get 5 points. This is A1 point, A2 point, A3 point, A4 point, A5 point. Okay children. Now children, we have A1, A1, A2, A2, A3. So we have taken here 5 arcs in such a way that these are equal. This and this all are equal. Now children, further join BA5 means draw BA5. So now children, here this B and A5 last point join this way. Up to this children it is very easy. Okay, this you can understand. Now children, this point is important. Now through the point A3 draw a line parallel to A5B at A3 intersect AB at the point C children. We want to draw children this line this line from C to A3 we want to draw this line, not randomly, ગમે તેમ નહીં, પણ આ લાઈનને પેરેલલ અહીંયા કન્સ્ટ્રક્શન કરવાનું છે. તો એ પેરેલલ કન્સ્ટ્રક્શન કેમ કરવાનું, that I will teach you children later on. Wait time being, because here if I teach you that you cannot understand. On a separate paper I will show this, but here time being you accept it, that we have constructed CA3 line segment. CA3 children, this one, CA3. This line segment we have constructed such a way that this line segment is parallel. Children, we have not drawn this. We have constructed this. How to construct, that I will teach you. Just now I told you. Then we have final result AC is to CB, 3 is to T. If you measure this children, AC and CB, it will be in 3 is to 2. Suppose children, if you take AC, AB you take 10 centimeter you take, then what will be AC children and what will be BC children? Can you guess it? Children, this is 3 is to T. It will not be 3 centimeter and 2 centimeter. You measure it and find out answer. Answer I am not telling you. You find out. You can use this formula children. 3 is to 2. So 3 by 5 and 2 by 5. You multiply with 10. That will be your answer. AC will be what? 3 by 5 into 10. And this is 2 by 5 into 10. Answer already children I told you. But I have to tell you answer. So children, this way you can construct AC is to CB. Okay. Now children, one point is left. How to construct this parallel line, that I am teaching now. Children, AB taken. Now here acute angle we can form. So one ray we draw. Okay. Ray AX. Then we will do 5 equal arcs from A. First one, second, this is A3, A4 and A5. Okay children, 5 we have taken, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. Now children, join B and A5 children. This much children you can do it. Now here we want to draw a line parallel to A5B. Now children, for that how to do construction, pay attention and learn children. Take any radius, approximate length, put here A5. Now children, from here we have to do one arc. Any measurement. Children, this arc and A4 no relation. It may be here, it may be here, it may be here. This line may be anywhere. Understood now? Now children, don't change this radius. Here we have taken this radius. Now don't change. Put metal point on A3 and draw another arc. Okay, આ આર્ક આટલે સુધી લઈ જાઓ, A3 ની આમ લાઈન કરો તો આ બાજુ સુધી, અહીંયા સુધી એને લાવવાની જરૂર નથી. Okay children, what I did from A3 one arc I have done this way. Now children, measure this distance from this point to this point. Okay, અહીંયાથી જે આર્ક આપણે આ લીધો એનો અહીંયા ટચ થતો પોઈન્ટ અને અહીંયા ટચ થતો પોઈન્ટ, ત્યાં તમારું પેર ઓફ કંપાસથી આ ડિસ્ટન્સ મેઝર કરો. This is known as radius children. So this new radius we have taken. Now put this here children. Okay, and it will cut here. Clear children? So children, this way we have divided AB line segment into m:n ratio. Clear? Okay children, here I did not take 3 cm 2 cm because if I take that would be very small one. So here I have taken big line segment. So by this way children, we have done first construction. Try yourself, write down steps from textbook.